Okay, so we're going to talk about subtracting decimals. Normally in an exam paper or a question paper, decimals will be presented to you either as money or as measurements. So let's say, for instance, I have something like £6.27 and I want to take away £3.15. Well, the way to do that is to present the information as a column arithmetic, where we make sure that the decimal point remains in the same place for both numbers. So we've got 6.27, which is the way I would rewrite £6.27, take away 3.15. And the thing to notice is that the decimal points remain one above the other, and I have the same number of digits after the decimal point for both lines. So I then proceed as if it was a normal column arithmetic. So 7 take away 5 is 2, 2 take away 1 is 1, and 6 take away 3 is 3. So, in other words, £6.27 take away £3.15 is £3.12. And really, in terms of subtracting decimals, that's the only thing that you need to remember. So let's say, for instance, it was a larger total, so we had £127 and we were taking away £67.33. Okay, well, we apply the same principles, so that becomes 127.00 take away 67.33. Okay, now the way I would do this is to say I've got 0, I've got to take away 3, so 0 take away 3 I can't do, so I'm going to make that 10. If I take then 3 from 10, I get 7, and because I've borrowed it, I've got to pay it back by adding it onto the library shelf. And if you look at one of the other videos about subtraction, that will tell you how to do this particular method. I've then got 4 from 0, I can't, so that becomes 4 from 10, which is 6, add it back over there. 8 from 7 I can't, so it becomes 17, so 8 from 17 is 9, and that's going to be 7 from 2, which I can't, so it becomes 7 from 12, which is 5. So the answer to 127 take away 67.33 is £59.67. Now, whichever way you do it, whichever type of column arithmetic you do, the important thing with decimals is that you make sure that decimal point stays in the same place and you have the same number of digits after the decimal point in order to perform your calculation. I hope that's okay. If you have a look at the website, there will be some learning sheets for you to have a go at these sorts of calculations for yourself.